Hey everyone, welcome to the LifeThoughtsCamera YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about the FOK Nail Art Paint Kit. In this video, I'll be focusing on the unboxing and also give my first impression. Do check out my FOK Nail Art Paint Kit playlist to view all the videos where I mention this product. You can view these videos by clicking on the eye icon in the top right side corner. As this video progresses, you will see more such pop-ups. Do check them out for more information. About the brand. After a lot of hunting, I was not able to find anything about this brand. If you're interested in this brand, then check out this playlist of mine. It is a collection of all the FOK products that I might buy in the future. Why did I choose this product? Since I'll be using this nail art kit to achieve some of my nail art designs, I wanted to buy something that is easily available for all my viewers. Where did I buy it from? I bought this from a website called Amazon. Check the description box for the shopping link. Don't forget to check out my nail art and nail care playlist. It is a must-watch for beginners and it has over 80 videos. Cost of the product. Features and details. Please do visit their site to read through them. Link is mentioned in the description box. If you're interested in nail design, then save this playlist in your library and be notified when I add my next video. Product packaging. This is how I received the product from the seller. I received it in a sealed plastic bag that has Amazon mentioned all over it. Upon cutting open the parcel, I found out that it had no bubble wrapping or any other kind of soft protective packaging on the inside. Contents inside the package. If you're my regular viewer, then you know at this point I will recommend you to first check all the items or the parts. You can easily cross-check as the site on Amazon also has shown pictures of the products. I placed all the products on the floor and counted them. Next, I'll move on to the products. The kit comprises of a nail brush set which has 15 pieces, five dotting tools, ten pieces of nail stripping tape in different colors, and one sheet of nail tip guides. The assembly. No sort of assembly is required for this kit. These are my top 5 videos of this year, 2021. Did you check them out yet? Links to all the 5 videos are mentioned in the description box. My first impression. For this price, I feel that the products I received are justifiable. What was mentioned on the site, all the items were delivered. As for the quality, the dotting tool seems really good. As far as the nail art brush set, the handle does feel a little light and a little flimsy, but it is still okay to work with. The striping tape also looks of good quality and the thickness also is the same as it should be. I can tell you more only after I have used it for a while, so do drop by to see the usage review. Also, if you're interested in lifestyle, do check out my other videos. Now, don't forget to thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit on that bell icon to receive all notifications. Bye!